Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is called a three-way tie. This pattern and what I made, the creation I made out of it, I call Sunrise. This is a difficult level one to do. It consists of 3 colors: red, orange, and yellow. Each one is 60 inches long or 152 centimeters. The core is 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 15 inches or 38.1 centimeters long, melted together to form a loop to form the core. As I said, 3 different colors: red, yellow, and orange. Each one is 60 inches or 152.6 centimeters. I'm using fits to make it easier and also for you to see the pattern and see what I'm doing. And please pay close attention to the lead. You're also going to need a lighter, a pair of scissors, and a presser. Well, let's do it. And here we go. Hold those in through the cow hitch. Red, the yellow, and here we go. Now, yours should look like this. Red, yellow, blue. Now, on this is the thing that'll make it easier to understand the pattern. We're going to be using the top and the bottom on every weave. And the middle one just doesn't get used, but the pattern changes 3 times during it. Right now, red is on the top, so it goes over everything, underneath, in between 1 and 2, goes across, leaving a loop. Red from the other side goes across them 2, under this red, up between 3 and 4, comes out and leaves a loop. Now the orange, which is the bottom, comes underneath the right side, comes out the right side 2 and 3, goes up through it, across, under, in between the loop, under this orange, over the yellow. Orange on the left side, under everything, comes up on the left side, up in between 1 and 2, goes over through the loop, the orange and the red over the yellow. This is your first pattern. All the others are identical, but just the colors is what changes. Now, your second one, you got yellow at the top, orange in the middle, red at the bottom. And we follow the same pattern, but just using different colors. Yellow, which is the top, on the right side, over everything, goes to the left side, coming up between 1 and 2, and goes over the side. Yellow from the left side goes across everything, but under the yellow, underneath the core, coming up between 3 and 4. Now the bottom is the red from the right side, under everything, coming up between 3 and 4, goes across, under the yellow, through the loop, under the red, over the orange. Red from the left side, under, comes up between 1 and 2, goes across, under, red and yellow, over the orange. Underneath comes up between 1 and 2. Orange from the left side goes over everything except the orange, goes underneath, comes up between 3 and 4, and then leave the loop, and then go on the side. Yellow is on the bottom. The yellow from the right side, underneath everything, comes up between 3 and 4, goes goes down through the loop in the orange, under the yellow, over the red. The yellow from the left side goes underneath everything, stays on the left side, comes between 1 and 2, goes across, down through the loop, under the yellow and the orange, over the red. I'm going to do the whole pattern again, and I'm going to zoom up just a little bit. Red over everything, underneath, up between 1 and 2. Red on left side, over everything, underneath, coming up between 3 and 4. Orange under everything, comes up between 3 and 4, goes across, down through the loop, under the red, over the yellow. Orange from the left side, stays underneath everything, comes up through, in between 1 and 2, goes across, through the loop, under the yellow, under the orange and the red, over the yellow. Okay, and it should look like this. Yellow goes over everything, come underneath, up through, in between 1 and 2. Yellow from left side goes across, underneath everything, up through 3 and 4. The red on the right side comes up through, in between 3 and 4, goes across, through the loop, under the red, under the yellow, over the orange. Red from the left side stays under everything, comes up between 1 and 2, goes across, through the loop, red and the yellow, over the orange. And this is how it should look now.